Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Soulsync. It's your girl, Dovey. And today we're diving into something that can be so confusing. Figuring out if a guy likes you but is doing everything he can to keep it under wraps. Guys can be tricky sometimes, but there are certain signs they just can't hide, no matter how hard they try. Let's get into it. He still glances at you. Have you ever caught him looking at you when he thought you weren't paying attention? That's one of the biggest giveaways. Even if he's trying to play it cool, his eyes will naturally gravitate towards you because he just can't help it. And if he quickly looks away when you catch him, that's his way of saying, oops, busted. He gets nervous around you. Does he suddenly fidget, stumble over his words, or act a little clumsy when you're around? Nervous energy is a clear sign he likes you but is trying to hide it. He might act a little awkward or laugh at things that aren't super funny because he's overthinking everything. It's cute, really. He's just worried about making the right impression. His friends tease him about you. Pay attention to how his friends act when you're around. Do they suddenly start nudging him or throwing little jokes his way? If they're teasing him when you walk in or mention your name, chances are they know something you don't, like the fact that he's into you but hasn't said anything yet. He's extra helpful. This guy will go out of his way to make your life easier, even if he acts like it's no big deal. Need help with something? He's the first one to offer. Dropped your pen? He's already picked it up. It's those little gestures that show he cares, even if he's trying not to make it obvious. 5, he remembers small details about you. Here's the thing. If he likes you, he'll remember the smallest things you've mentioned. Maybe you casually said your favorite snack and he brings it up later. Or he remembers that random story about your weekend. Guys don't usually store that kind of info unless they're paying extra attention to you. 6, he acts differently around you. Does he suddenly get quieter or more serious when you're around? Or maybe he's the opposite and gets louder trying to impress you. Either way, if his behavior shifts whenever you're in the room, that's a major clue he's feeling something but doesn't know how to show it. 7, he gives you genuine compliments. Sure, compliments can be casual, but when they feel personal and thoughtful, they're coming from a deeper place. He might tell you how much he loves your laugh or how you light up a room. These aren't things he says to just anyone. He's letting his feelings slip through in a subtle way. 8, he finds excuses to be near you. This guy will make sure he's always around, even if it's under the radar. Whether he's suddenly into the same hobbies as you or conveniently finds himself in your group during events, he's creating opportunities to spend time with you without making it too obvious. So there you have it, 8 signs that he's into you but is trying to hide it. If this sounds like your guy, pay attention to these little hints and trust your instincts. And hey, if this video gave you some clarity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soulsync. Drop your thoughts or experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep glowing.